everyone. My name is Nhung. Welcome back to my homework. Today I would like to tell you about new word. Number 1. Fool. Book. Foot. Good. Could. Should. Pull. Woman. Sugar. Number 2. Two. Shoe. Blue. Food. Routine. Music. New. Number 3. How many and there are? How many vowel sounds are there in the International Phonetic Alphabet? There are 20 vowel sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet. How many monotones are there in the International Phonetic Alphabet? There are 10 monotones in the International Phonetic Alphabet. How many short monotones are there in the International Phonetic Alphabet? There are 7 short in the International Phonetic Alphabet. How many diphthongs are there in the International Phonetic Alphabet? There are 8 diphthongs in the International Phonetic Alphabet. How many closed diphthongs are there in the International Phonetic Alphabet? There are 5 closed in the International Phonetic Alphabet. How many open diphthongs are there in the International Phonetic Alphabet? There are 3 open in the International Phonetic Alphabet. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.